Hi guys, so I wanted to do another Halloween costume and I wanted to stay in the same theme as like things you can do really quickly like after work before your Halloween party you're going to. So this is like I would say, I mean it's a little bit extreme, but an everyday makeup look or a makeup look you could wear to work. And I'm going to show you how you can modify it to make it kind of like a Halloween costume. So keep watching. Okay, so the things that you're gonna need are makeup removing wipes, some sort of like a brow pencil or a pencil you can draw on your face with, some white eyeliner, preferably liquid, but I'm not using liquid today, and then a brush with some brown eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna map out. So, oh, I didn't say what this video was gonna be. So anyway, so for Halloween, my dad wears this like Joker mask that starts here and it just like blends into his face, like, so it's only half mask and it's terrifying, and I thought it would be a really cool idea to just do like a mask of makeup. And then I actually saw someone did like a half face mask of makeup. I think it was Nikki Tutorials. So I thought I would do something like that video, even though I'm not a very good artist. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna map out, first I'm gonna break my pencil. Okay, I'm gonna map out where I want the mask to be. So I'm gonna start with the forehead and I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna just arch it here. And I'm gonna have it come around and go pretty low. Maybe that's too low. I think I'm gonna go a little bit less low on the side. And the good thing is that you can sorry if there's like sound in the background. Felix is I never have him watch TV, but I'm allowing him to watch this one Halloween. Well, it's not really Halloween. It's called Room on the Broom. It's about this like witch. It's really cute. This isn't really even, but I'm gonna try to make it even when I take off my makeup. So now, this looks horrible. With a makeup removing wipe, we're gonna go ahead and remove all of our makeup around. Let's see if we can make this even. Try to make it even. Remove all of your makeup around this area. So I'm just going to do this off camera because you don't need to see me doing this. Okay, so I've removed all the makeup from around my line that I drew for my mask. So now, I'm going to take some brown shadow. Whoa! Please don't bite me. Take some light brown shadow. Actually, I'm going to start with the darker of the two. I need two shades. Oh, this is oh, careful, Felix. Okay, so now I'm going to take this lighter or darker shade, and I'm going to go around my line and just, oh, I hear him doing stuff out there. Basically, I'm just going to outline the entire mask, and then I'm going to blend it down a little bit. So sorry, I'm back. This is trying to make it look like it is raised, that it's not flush against the face, so it's like a shadow. Felix, don't step on that. Okay, so now that you've drawn this line, go ahead and blend it out a little bit. So actually, maybe even with your finger would be best.
Mommy.
Sorry, we've moved location. Felix is right here being a silly guy. Okay, so now that you've kind of blended that out, you can probably do a better job than I did. We're going to take our white eyeliner, and on the inside of the brown line, we're going to draw just a white line.
Daddy. No.
This is supposed to be like the high points of the mask. So we're going to kind of try making some dimension. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw some white lines. Oops, that was really bad. Draw some white lines like where there might be a shine on the mask. Like highlights. Maybe here, maybe here. And you can kind of like play around with what you think looks good. My under eye makeup is totally coming off, and I have like black under my eyes, so you could fix that if that was happening to you. Yeah, so basically that's it. Oh my god. Okay, so, oh my god, hold on. Okay, I promise this is the last location change you're gonna have. Anyways, this is how it looks. It kind of looks like a mask, right? So, yeah, so this is it. It's quick, easy, you don't need a lot to create this look, and you can do it with your everyday makeup kind of like on as a base, and then just kind of go from there. So I hope that this is helpful to some of you looking for a last minute Halloween costume, and if you don't have time for a whole elaborate look, this is super easy. So yeah, thanks for watching.